Hello everyone. If you want to add a signature in Adobe Acrobat, here is how you can do in simple step. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application. Now you can either create a new PDF or open an existing one. To open an existing file, you can just scroll down to the recent section where you will see the list of previously opened PDFs. Simply choose the one that you want. Once you are inside the PDF, look at the left side of the screen. Here you will see a small vertical taskbar panel with different icons. Simply tap on the pen icon located at the bottom of that panel. When you click on it, you will see two options, Add Signature and Add Initials. Click on Add Signature, then a screen window will appear giving you three different ways to create your signature: through type, by typing your name or anything, and draw options where you can draw your signature using your mouse or touchpad, and lastly uploading an image for your signature. You can choose any method that you prefer and create your signature. Once you are satisfied with the signature, click on the apply button and your signature will now appear on the document. You can just simply click on the area where you want to place on it and adjust the size if needed, and that's it. That's how you can easily add a signature in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.